Welcome to this video on how to navigate the learning management system for middle and high schoolers. We'll cover some tips and instructions on how to use this system so you can access all the resources you need for MESA. Here's the homepage. As you can see, there's an introduction section which contains this video and other helpful resources you should familiarize yourself with before you start. There's also a section for the engineering design process, which is a process that you should follow to learn how engineers plan, construct, and develop their work. It will also help you build an effective project. Below are sections for each of the challenges. So here we have the NETC challenge, the Wearable Technology challenge, the Cyber Robot challenge for high schoolers, and the Expanding Structure challenge. Each of these challenges are structured by the EDP phases and the guides. The very first section for all the challenges are always going to be about the competition and an introduction to the engineering design process. Then following it will be different phases part of the EDP, and it will have content resources which will help guide you through different resources and lessons that will teach you the fundamentals of what you'll be learning. So here's the Ask phase of the National Engineering Design Challenge. All these document-looking icons will always be about the EDP, or they'll be part of the competition files. These EDPs will have a series of overviews, about sections that describe the phase itself, and activities that correspond to the phase. These pencil icons represent content resources for each week. So underneath each of these phases will have corresponding weeks that have content resources so that it helps you organize and divide up the work you'll have. So for example, we can click on the EDP Ask Guide and Activities. It'll bring you to this page where it'll give you a rundown of what the Ask phase is and the corresponding activities you can complete so you can better understand the phase. When you're ready to move on and you're on week 2, you can navigate down. You can navigate below here for week 2 and just click the next button. Under here, you're going to have all these links where you can read articles or watch videos about different fundamental lessons you'll need to learn for the competition itself. So if you click on this, this will bring you to an article about Arduino. It'll always open up in a new window, and you can always close this window so you can access all the other documents. If you want to go back, you can click on this previous button and it'll take you back to either the prior weeks or different EDP guides or competition files. On the sidebar, you can access resources from different weeks easily by clicking down to a different pencil icon. So if you want to jump to, for example, week 11, part of the Test and Evaluate phase for the content resources, you can click on this icon and it will bring you straight here. Just a reminder that if you want to go back to the home page for your learning management system, you always want to click back to LMS. You never want to click the back arrow because it'll take you too far into the home pages. So click back to LMS and it will bring you all the way back here where you can access all the other EDP or content resources. We hope this tutorial was helpful and we hope you have a fun time building.